मणिपुर में कोरोना के खिलाफ जारी जंग में वैक्सीनेशन को सरकार ने बड़ा हथियार बनाया है। सेनापति जिले में एक ऐसा ही गांव है, मरम सेंटर विलेज, जहां 100% टीकाकरण के लक्ष्य को पूरा कर लिया गया है। इस बारे में टास्क फोर्स के कन्वेनर ने बताया है कि तरह तरह के अफवाहों के बीच ग्रामीणों को टीका लगवाने के लिए राजी करना बड़ी चुनौती थी।
My village is able to achieve and targeting for 10% COVID-19 vaccination has a history in which it was not an easy task for us. It was a very challenging task, especially with the media trying to clear a lot of rumors of not to take vaccination, and this has influenced a lot of people in the village also. However, under the leadership of our able public leaders and the village authority, along with the mobilization of the youth, today we were able to mobilize, and we are still struggling to mobilize and trying to achieve the 100% vaccinated village.
दूसरी ओर मेडिकल ऑफिसर ने बताया कि धीरे धीरे लोग स्वयं भी वैक्सीन लेने के लिए स्वास्थ्य केंद्र पहुंच रहे हैं। इससे ग्राम प्रमुख की बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है।
The first ever 100% COVID vaccination has been started at Maram Center village. As such, I think this is the first ever village in the state of Manipur that 100%, 10% achievement of COVID vaccination is being done. Many villages approach our PHC that they want to follow they want to do vaccination. For example, one village called Nauzai, they have approached me so that they want to get same vaccination like this. And then even for Marambaza, one Christian colony, they have approached me to find time for the vaccination of the whole colony. And then I'm very grateful to the village elders. I think it is because they are very responsible people. I think they understand that COVID doesn't have any cure. So I think this vaccination is the only solution, and the SOPs is the only solution. So I think the village chairmen and leaders out here are I feel that they are very responsible. So that's the reason why they have mobilized the whole village, from college, higher secondary school principal, sisters, from Bazar area, all those, even the shopkeepers and outsiders have come to the village for this vaccination.
बता दें कि मरम गांव सेनापति जिले के काफी भीतरी इलाके में अवस्थित है, मगर ये गांव 2 हाईवे से सटा है। वहीं यहां स्थित डॉन बॉस्को स्कूल में पढ़ने के लिए बड़ी संख्या में बच्चे आते हैं।
Very happy that I'm vaccinated today. I got this opportunity, and as I came here, I saw a big crowd gathering for the vaccination. I'm very happy to see that people are coming forward for it. And I too got vaccinated, and now I just finished, and I'm feeling there is no side effect, and look like I'm feeling as before, and I'm happy that I'm vaccinated, and I hope people will come forward and we will be free from this.